showcases RSA's ability to deal decisively with future threats and meet critical operation needs. Featuring a state-of-the-art cockpit and advanced avionics, the F-15 provides its aircraft with increased situational awareness as well.
You know I'd follow you, cause I'd go anywhere, anywhere, anywhere with you.
Yes, Chrisley, there's a combined total of almost 4,000 flying hours. And now let's hear how they will execute their next maneuver.
This versatile helicopter has proven its worth in many missions and domains. Together with other air, land and sea platforms, the Apache Force multiplies and allows the SAF to carry out a wide spectrum of operation to achieve mission success.
Hey Grizzly, did you know that the aircrew flying today are from operational squadrons?
Yes, Pixel. The pilots have been training for almost every day for just over 2 months, in addition to their daily duties. Together, they have been fine-tuning their final aerial maneuvers to give the audience a brand new display at the Singapore Airshow.
And now, simulating an integrated strike mission from your top left, the Apache will demonstrate its combat maneuverability in an offensive environment, entering a steep spiral descent to destroy the targets below, while the F-15 will make its re-entry from the right with a strafing pass. Together, they will integrate once again to execute a maneuver we call the double helix. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready, and here they come!
Show center. Now here is the team lead of the Apache, who holds up the prestige.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Freedom piloting the Apache helicopter. On behalf of Team RSS, I'd like to thank everyone for continuing support here at Singapore Airshow 2024. Have a great day ahead. Tiga, Changi out.
As the Apache gracefully bows, watch the F-15 slice through with a knife-edge pass, dedicating this final maneuver to all Singaporeans for your unwavering support to the RSAF.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming in front of the stage, Jupiter 6.
So Singapore, let's make some memories together. 10 meters. The right
Dominated in this exciting opportunity to perform for you today. Roulette 5 and Roulette 6 are now detached from the format safely. And 2.03 meters high, with spacious economy class seating, each row accommodating up to 5 seats. And the ARJ-21 aircraft supports customer requirements for day and night instrument flight rules, visual flight rules operation. Operations are in IC conditions, the RSSM and RNAV operations, and it can extend over water operations as well.